This video is sponsored by Glowforge. You are watching DIY by Nikki Foster. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, and on this channel I share DIY, home decor, and craft videos. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Glowforge Spark versus the Glowforge Aura. So a couple of weeks ago, I posted the video introducing the Glowforge Spark. Introducing the Glowforge Spark. And I did like an Easter basket, and I was showing how I was engraving all these different things. So in that video, I briefly compared the Spark to the Aura. And in this video, I wanted to kind of go a little bit deeper and talk about the similarities and the differences between the two machines. So let's just get into it. So as I mentioned before in the previous video, at a glance, you can see that the Spark looks very similar to the Glowforge Aura, but there are a few differences. So for instance, all around the Spark, there is a white border. And if you look at the Aura, there's like a thin orange border going around. So the Spark is a little bit smaller and has more of a rectangle shape. And then the Aura is a little bit larger and has more of a square shape. All right, so heading over to Glowforge's website, I want to show you exactly what I'm talking about with these tech specs. So right here, so the Spark and the Aura are both considered the personal series. The professional series, it would be the Glowforge Pro and the Glowforge Plus, but today we're just covering the personal series. The other differences between the Glowforge Aura and the Glowforge Spark is the price point. So the Glowforge Aura originally came in at $11.99, and the Spark for pre-sale came in at $5.99, but after the pre-sale, the price is $6.99. What I love about them both is that they both use the personal filter and they can be interchangeable. So for me, I was able to use the same filter I have to interchange it with the Glowforge Aura and the Glowforge Spark. So right here, you can see the dimensions right on the website. The Glowforge Aura is 19 pounds and the Spark is only 10.8 pounds, which is pretty light. So the work area, this is something that I really wanted to cover because this will basically determine which machine might be right for you based off size. So the Glowforge Aura covers a 12 by 12 cutting area, and the Glowforge Spark max cutting area is 8.5 by 11. And as you can see here on the website, the thickness, they both can cut the same thickness, 1/4 inch thick, and the material height with or without the tray is the same as well. Another difference between the two machines, and this is one of those big differences, is that the Spark does not have a pass-through slot, but the Glowforge Aura does. So if you're trying to cut things that are a little bit longer, you can use that pass-through slot with the Glowforge Aura to cut larger things like signs and stuff like that. And then the Glowforge Spark can only cut that 8.5 by 11 size. So the other difference is the speed. So the Glowforge Spark is 1x speed and the Glowforge Aura is 3x speed. It actually got an upgrade recently, so it goes faster than it used to. And I feel like that's a pretty big deal. So you kind of got to determine what works best for you. As with all of the Glowforge machines, they all use the same program, which is the Glowforge app. So if you're doing any designs and you're uploading them, you're going to use the same app. So with all the machines, it's the same onboarding process and it's really easy to get started. That's pretty good. All right. So this is the Glowforge Spark. You can see it fits right over the counter. Doesn't go over the edge of the board I have here. And then this is the Glowforge Aura. So you can see how big it is. It's a little bit larger and it kind of comes over. I normally have it to the side, but for the purposes of this video, I wanted to just show you like a side-by-side comparison. Okay, so entering in the material. So you can see this is the Glowforge Aura. And like I mentioned, it has like that ring around here. So you can kind of see the color difference and the size difference. So when you enter in the materials inside the Aura, you can see the tray. It fits fully inside the tray. And there's actually even a little extra room that you can see everything. And now this is the Glowforge Spark. So inside you can see the tray is just a little bit smaller. And when you enter it in, you can see the comparison to how much material you can actually see. So see how like it gets cut off here by the tray at the bottom. And on the app too, you could see the size difference. It doesn't show the full bed on the tray with the camera, doesn't show the full bed. So let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. So from the camera view of the Glowforge Aura, here's what it looks like. You could see the whole entire 12 by 12 tray here, and you can see all the 12 by 12 material. And let's take a look at the spark. Okay, and here's what it looks like with the Glowforge Spark. You can see it's like 8.5 by 11, and then some of the parts are cut off. Another tip for this, what I usually do is I create a line, a cut line, and my guide for like the center is this little like dash here, and I will end up just doing like this, cutting it in half, and then I can get like the best results and most use out of all the material for the spark. And that's if you're using the 12 by 12 sheet of acrylic or material. Other than that, you can buy the half sizes, and I think that actually works out really good because you save a lot of material. So if you are looking to purchase either the Glowforge Spark or Aura, I do have an affiliate link in my description box where you guys can shop either one and, you know, take a look at all the specs and just kind of do your research and figure out which one will work best for you. I actually really like both of them. I mean, it's hard to decide because the Spark, I like the size of it. It's a little bit smaller, like to sit like on my sideboard. But the Glowforge Aura, having that extra space in between, like the full use of the 12 by 12 is actually pretty good, you know? So it just depends on what you're trying to make. If you like making smaller things, the Spark might be perfect for you. But if you want a little bit larger, or if you like plan to upgrade, you know, maybe the Spark, maybe the Aura might be better for you. So I have the Spark and the Aura, so I would love to know if you have either one. What are your thoughts on them? Would you prefer that you've gotten the Spark, or do you like that you bought the Aura? Let me know in the comment box below. And yeah, so if you guys want more videos like this, maybe more information or some more project ideas that I've been sharing, like I actually shared some gifting ideas, and I have a bunch of different things that I shared on Instagram for like the Spark. So if you guys want more stuff like that, let me know in the comment box. You know, I use your guys' suggestions to make more content and make more videos, so I really do appreciate it. And that's about it. So whatever other questions you have, if I missed something, let me know and I'll get back to you. And that's about it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching this video. Thanks so much to Glowforge for sponsoring this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.